Okay. That is working great. Let me do a thing. Coding Poggies. Okay, I am coding Poggies. Now let's get this going. And is OBS working all fine? Yeah, it is. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Being able to set up individual workspaces would be really useful, but I think I can see if that's possible later. Anyways, I think we should be about ready to go-ish. Let me double check. I need to adjust my sitting physically. I'm not in a great position. And let's get started. Good morning, or good evening, or good day, whatever you want to call it. Today we are programming. We're doing the greatest thing known to mankind. We are making streamer face, haha, or pepechucam, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't have an official name yet. Anyways, we are coding, we are programming, and we are going to be doing a great job with this. We are going to be doing some good work. In fact, it already works. So what currently happens is it's the talking image you're seeing on your screen right now. Let me change my OBS scene. We can go straight into the actual code part of this. So here you can see what it actually looks like on the back end. This is what it looks like, you know, the window itself. As you can see, I'm filtering out in the OBS to make it not appear and whatnot. And the actual thing is running up here, so like, that's all fine, that's all working, but I want to make it better. There's a few things I want to consider. Now, I already streamed about this yesterday, and yesterday we made some improvements. We made some changes. We added this rotation thing, so you can see how it like rotates a bit to the left or right randomly. So we added that. That's auto global as well. We can toggle whether we want the rotation to be mandatory, or like to be. We want to see if we want. Sorry. We can enable if it happens, and we can also enable if it's random. So it can either only go one way, or it can go randomly between both ways. In this case, we have the random distribution here, so it will go randomly right or left. Pretty cool stuff. It works, it's great. We also made it so it scales images. So it takes two images from this directory, and you want to like put in whatever path you want. In this case, we'll look at image 1 and image 2, so these two. And it puts them like one on top, the other on bottom, and then it just calculates like the proper scaling, so it scales them the window size, and it also scales if the images are of different sizes. They have a scale fit option. This allows you to scale the smaller image to like match the bigger one, so it like you don't end up with like one tiny image and one big image. You end up with like two similarly sized images that like fit together. You can turn it off though. And you can, they also, like, if they're different, if you choose to not scale them, but there's an option to center them, so they're centered with each other. So that's great. There's also something called image gap. This is this has to do with the curves. So in the case of my thing here, as you can see, like from my talking, the actual crop, the actual cut is curved. So that means that I need to like give an offset to the images so that they like, you know, work properly, so they appear properly and don't like have a gap in between them. So this tells you how much gap there is and how much like you need to take like, and that's what you need to take away. This is actually scaled with the scaling as well. So like your big, like, so like if your images are different size, this still works. So you know, like image one and like here, you know, like this works. But if we take image 1, 2, this is actually a different sized image. So if we want to make this here, and let's say we turn off the scaling, you can see it's different size when we're not scaling it. So, you know, like, it's a lot bigger than the bottom part. But let's say we want to scale. What will happen is it still works. It still adjusts the gap properly. So, that's great. All works, all is great. All is exactly as it needs to be. But I want to add in more stuff. There's, I think, 3 main things I want to do. One of them is a big maybe, and 2 of them are like, I'm pretty sure I want to do this. So we'll probably do that today. Number 1, what I want to do is I want to make like a way for the kind of group the images together, so I can like rotate them in a combined way where like the speech animation works as it does now, but the whole thing can like rotate. So I can add in, or like be moved, or like whatever. So I can like easily give it like an idle animation of some kind, because right now there's no idle animation, of course. And then another thing I want to do is OBS WebSockets. I ideally want the code to add the image to the correct thing in OBS automatically, instead of me having to like manually trigger window capture. I'm pretty sure that's possible, so we'll see, but that's one of my plans for today. Anyways, so that's like where we are with that. But yeah. Let me refresh my Twitch thing. Here we go, now that actually shows me properly. Great. Anyways, let's start off with the grouping thing. I'm going to need to actually launch my little ChatGPT action here. I actually asked it already about this. Whoops, that is the wrongly spelled address. I need to add a T. Okay, here we go. So one thing it gave me is to actually allow it to do like a class for it. So I'm going to try that. We'll try to make the images combined into a class and then see if we can mess with that somehow. So how can I work with the group? How can I make it draw and stuff? Okay. I'm just going to ask it again with my code in mind, because I think like it will probably be broken, but like it will give me some basis to work with on how it could actually be applied, because that's like what I want to know in particular. Let's see what it can do with this. Here we have a program that has 2 images placed on top of each other. There are animations for how they interact in relation to one another. Is there a way to, like, I'm asking it to give me a way to group them. And the can apply a transformation where they are where they combined are treated as one object. For example, I want to apply a rotation. I want to rotate the combination of images. Let's see what it does. Okay, surface. Okay, so there's a surface. Let's see, do we define a surface? I guess the window is the surface here. Where do we define the window? That's the display. So I guess we can, let's see what it does. Okay. Okay, interesting, interesting. Okay, let's just put this in. We'll see what this does with it. I'm curious in seeing what ChatGPT's thing does. Where do we find sizes? Whatever, let's put it here. We can organize this later. I'm not sure how this will actually look in the final code, so we'll just work with that. Yeah. Oh yeah, true, we can simplify this. What the fuck? Yeah, yeah. What am I doing? Why am I not doing this? Assigning that is correct, yeah, that makes way more sense. Okay, here we go. Okay, now this should work a bit better. Or just look cleaner code-wise. Okay, that makes sense. I did not realize that this was a thing I could have done. Okay, and then we do... okay. Yeah, so we can see, like, it has the same method as the window, interestingly. Okay, I don't want to fuck with the actual, like... Okay, this is a bit... I think I have to actually work on... anyway, let's do a group surface fill. Let's see where is all the rotation stuff. Okay, yeah. So that's like... we actually had just a group surface. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. So I just want to... we just want to switch these instead of window to be group surface. I think that makes sense. If you make this the group surface, then the actual adjustment of these, then it will actually adjust the images onto that. Then we just add in the code to work with that. Okay, yep. Okay, let's just copy paste this. Bam. I don't know if this will work. We will find out. But let's see. What does it do? Oh yeah, it works. It's a bit broken formatting wise, but okay. What is my music doing? Did that crash? Did my music playlist crash? I think it did. Okay, I need to restart my music. Fuck. Okay, and then we can get my playlist. Let's see what we want. Okay, let's play this. Whoops, that's in the wrong place. I need to remember to do so. Whoops. Here we go. Sorry that took a bit. I am getting used to my new second monitor that I got today. And then we want to... This is going to have issues. I might have to move this to a YouTube playlist. Okay, but I have an idea for how to handle this. In particular, it seems like the fundamental thing works. Of course, the code about it is a bit weird, but that's fine. Let's change this to like 40. Okay, here we go. Okay, yep. Yeah, and the rotation angle is based off of the mouth currently. We don't actually want to do that, but yeah, this is certainly an effect. We'll give it that. So what we'll actually do is we'll give the current window size to the or like, how do I do this? Okay, we don't want to define it based on this. We want to make this make sense. So window height. Wait a second. How do I handle this? I have an idea. Okay, yeah, okay, so we do, we need to modify some values up here. So we have window height, okay, 1000, so we just go, okay, surface height equals to, okay, let's see. Alright, let's say we give 100 surface extra. Okay, surface extra height and then surface extra width. Let's do this and then we can just use the height. Wait a second. So what's my existing window height? Oh yeah, window height. Yeah. Window height. Plus surface width. Okay, and then window height. Okay, I want to define this. Where do we define this? Oh wait, sorry. Okay, so that's window height. We just want to make the thing smaller. So minus height extra, minus surface extra height. Here we go. Okay, so now if we just use the so now we just can have our window be as it is. We don't have to modify how the window works, but we can modify the actual so now we have like an X, so now that's going to actually be a bit smaller, so we can just like, where are we setting that size? Where are we setting the size of the group? Here we go. Okay, so group surface, group width is not bigger width, it's going to be So the window width. Oh yeah, we have to define that also. Uh, Okay, so bigger width plus width extra. Okay, or like bigger width plus surface extra width. Plus surface extra width. And then the height, top image height, bottom image height. Yeah, plus that. Plus surface extra height. And the surface extra height is what actually defines it, so we want to make those what the previous ones were. So width extra 200, yeah. What's the height extra? We want to actually make Okay, I want to move this away. Let's save them here. Okay, let's see how this ends up operating. Okay, it's not even remotely centered, I will say. It is immediately not in a remote center, because I think my centering calculations are not accounting for this. That should be easy enough to do. So let's say combined height. Why is this weird? Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, because the positioning. This is about positioning, not about the actual scale. Okay, yeah. Yeah, okay, so we need to go to the positioning part. So first of all, we can do this. Wait. Is that not supposed to include that? Okay, interesting. Yeah, well, I guess counting that was a mistake. Wait a second. You know, I want that there. What the fuck? Of course I want it there. That's not the problem. It's the offset where it's a problem. When the surface extra. No, that doesn't work either. How is this? Okay. Looks like that worked. if I added them as minuses instead of pluses, which is wrong, okay. And then we can, let's just check that this works without being scaled as well. To make sure they both work. Okay, great. Then the height issue is next. Let's just keep it this way, because this shows the height issue more. So where do we define the top? Oh yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, vertical offset is what we need to modify. Plus, height, surface, extra height. And this should be plus. The image offset, I think, is negative. No. That's wrong. Okay, no. This is as it should have been. Now let's try with scaled up. Let's see if that's correct. Is this smaller than my... Yeah, it is smaller than my existing one. Okay, that means we're doing the scaling correctly. Okay, great. Now that it works, we can work on the actual... Well, let's refactor first, so... Extra size for group. Wait, no, wait, what the fuck? I'm doing this wrong. It doesn't really matter, but we're going to put this here. Bam. Wait, no, because that's a calculation based on the... Okay, yeah, this makes sense. Because we want the inside of the group to absolutely fit the images without question, and this code is made to do that. So yeah, this works perfectly. Okay, great. I think... Do we even need extra width like this? Yeah, we do. Okay, well, that is interesting. Wait, that breaks if this is different. Wait a second. That's a good... That we need to fix. That bug we need to fix. Okay, yeah. Let's see, where's my horizontal offset? Good thing I found that. Window width. Wait, why do I need to minus that here? You're already... Wait, why does that cause issues? Wait a second. Window height, yeah, I mean, vertical scaling works fine. I'm wondering, why is this an issue? So we take the bigger width, which makes sense, we take the extra width, which makes sense, and we take the extra width, which makes sense. So with the window width, which should be the combination of all of these, we minus the bigger width, which should be the bigger image. Why is this causing an issue? What? Oh, well, that's fun. Okay. So that does not work. I don't understand why this doesn't work. Okay. Well, this makes no sense working, so that's going to break as soon as we make this 0. Yeah. Why is this behaving weird? Are we doing some weird stuff with the positioning here? Is it? Are we messing it up here? Uh, okay, window dot. I can't get the window position. So I can't get the position of this. That's probably what's causing the issue, actually. Not. This is probably not. Wait a second. You know. What if you remove? Okay, well. Why is this an issue? Wait. Oh yeah, we probably want to. Okay, I think I have an idea for why this might be happening. Okay, let's make sure these are not like. Yeah, we do want to account for. We don't want to actually do this. We want to remove that part. This should be correct for the offset, but we need to change where this offset is applied to. So. Oh yeah, cause okay, no, this makes sense. I know how to fix this now. So we don't want it to be in the window width. We want to add the group surface stuff somewhere up above. So let's take this. Because we're moving it in the group. Okay, this makes sense why it's broken now. Okay, so we want to take the group width here, and then we want to make this group. Let's see how this is. Here we go. I think this should work now. Like if you go and make the width extra 0. Okay. Okay, this works finally. Now it's proper-ish centered. Okay, good. And we do want some extra width here, just to, give room for the rotation. Not, we're not doing it like this, but we do want. I think we're finally getting it together, so this is fine. This is all fine. It's because of how we apply the offset. Yeah, the offset makes sense. It's just literally. This is all the extra stuff, basically. I guess only surface extra height would be applicable here. But I think having it lower like this actually makes more sense. Like, it's obviously not centered at the moment, but okay, yeah. No, wait a second. How are we defining the group height? Yeah, so it's defined by that. I think this full-on approach makes sense. Wait, no, we don't want to add that in there. Okay. This might make more sense. I'm trying to figure out the best equation here. Let's see if I can remove this. Okay, still broken. Okay, that's... I mean, I think this works well enough, so we might as well just do it. Wait, for the group height, is the top height of the group, is the top image height plus the bottom image height, the other some heights. The offset, the image offset here is actually negative, so... Okay. Interesting, that changes things a little bit. Okay, doing it like this still breaks it, which I don't love. Question is, why does it break it? I need to understand what is happening here. So this is the one that you calculate, right? Yeah, this is the correct, this should be correct. So, how are I calculate the window height actually? Oh yeah, the window height is that, so the image height should have... Are we already reducing? Oh yeah, we are removing that already here. Let's remove that shit. Okay, now it's making a lot more sense. I think it's still not centered, but it's code-wise more sensic. Yeah, because these are accounting for that in the sizing, so... Wait, no, we do want that. What the fuck? That should get the entire height minus height extra, which means that it should run. But it's weird. Why is it not centered like this? What is... Are we doing some weird shit with the vertical offset here? We're applying the offset there actually, so let's remove that. That makes it even worse. I'm most interested in how we do the... It should be this minus width extra. Or sorry, that we have already. Yeah, we already have that. I mean height. How do we define the window? The window height is 900. Okay, let's work through the window height here. So we have window height. This is 1000, I guess, in this case. Let's change it. Then where do we use the window height? So combined height is that minus the height extra. That is the one outside. We shouldn't have to worry about that here. The only thing I should have to worry about, because the box positions itself just fine. Only thing I have to worry about here is getting the thing correctly in the box. So, or in the surface. So, window height. Yeah, we take away the height extra. And we take away the surface extra height. Yes. So this would be the height of the images. These are... So this is what they use in the bottom image to accommodate for that. So... Okay, But that does not work. Why does this not work? Because we are removing... This should be only in consideration of the group. I think we're still adding them in as normal. Or is it because of this shit? Oh, top IMG plus. Okay, let's remove the rotation for the time being. Yeah, no, this is not middle. Like, I know it would end up being uneven with the rotation. Without rotation, it is still uneven, which is a problem. But, oh well. Let me change the soundtrack a bit. I've been getting too much Mario Kart. This will do. But yeah, currently the group should be centered just fine. I don't know what the // is. I don't think that affects much of anything. Actually, let's figure out what // is. What is... ChatGPT, fuck off! Okay, well... Floor division, integer, okay, so it's the integer. Okay, that makes sense, I mean, that's what we are processing here, so that makes sense, that's fair. Using int here is fair, I have no problem with that. What I have a problem with is this being weird. Why is that weird? So we are looking for the group height minus the actual images themselves. Okay, so group height. I think we calculate the same way as with the width, and that should fix it. Like the horizontal offset, we calculate based on the group width, so we just btn img height minus top img height. Okay, and then we just need to minus also the image gap. Plus, maybe? No? What? But no, because that is counted. Wait. Why is this one not working? What? Excuse me. Why is this one weird? This were content, group height, group width. What does a group height consist of? Oh yeah, that should just be the surface extra height. It should be that, it isn't that. Is this broken? Like, why would that be broken though? No, that can't. No, this is all correct as well. Top img plus plus. Okay, rotated top IMG rect bottom where it is. This should be correct. This is just to make it aligned within itself. This should handle it within the box. Like that, this is the alignment with itself. The positions usually based off of the offsets that we set. Why is this so weird? Like, I get that. That's fine. What I don't get is why is it behaving like this? Oh, is it that? No, but that handles that, so... No, that is... This handles that. What is this? Oh, this is painful. Why is this being weird? I mean, if we make the extra stuff besides the surface stuff 0, we can like properly get height extra 0. Rotation. Maybe because we're not counting for rotation extra? No, but that's already calculated in that. So that should be fine. Why is this weird? These are not the same distances. Above and below. That's not the same. Why is it not the same? Oh my god. Let's also not give it any rotation extra. Okay, here we go. We have minimized the amount of gap. Okay, now of course it's going to be broken. That's fine. What I want to know is... Why is this fucking weird? I want to understand why is the offset weird. Minus image offset. I'm going to try to see if I can play around with the offset of the images. I don't think that will do it. Yeah, no. Why is this not working? It's the same code. Okay. Do you divided by 4 make sense now? Bruh. Why does that make sense? No, it doesn't make... Why does this not make sense? Give me some sense. Sensic scaling here. It should be accounting for that. What is this shit? Why is this behaving weird? Why does it behave weird? No, but it shouldn't behave weird in the first place. This shouldn't be different. It shouldn't be different. In the first place, what is this? Bruh. 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 What are we dealing with here? Wait, what is image gap and image offset? No, image offset is the one we need. That's a scaled one. Okay, that is still not... None of this code makes any sense. Bruh, I'm so annoyed at this. Why is this not working? Oh my god. I am so... just so frustrated with this. Why is this different? It shouldn't, it's the same code. Why is there different logic to it? I know there's extra height here. There's meant to be. Okay. And what did I do? Oh yeah, no. We don't want that level of it, and height extra 200, let's say. Okay, so this shouldn't happen. This shouldn't happen, but it happens. And I want to understand why this happens. Why is this like not? Why is the thing not properly centered? Because we are adding the group to the window, not the individual thing, and we are applying the thing into the group. Why is the group not on the top? It's meant to apply in the center. Why are we not doing that? What are we doing here? Like we're applying window height too, and suddenly it's not in the center. Why is it not in the center? You see that we're doing this positive? Is it the wrong kind of offset? No, it's not the wrong kind of offset. What are we dealing with? Why is this? Why is it weird? Do we just offset it by this entirely? Like, what are we doing? What are we doing here? Yeah, I want the group height to account for the image offset, obviously. But why are we... Does this work? I don't know why this would work. This shouldn't work. And it doesn't work. It shouldn't. But why is it... What are we dealing with here? Why is it not working? Why is it not counting the proper maths? There's maths to this. Why are we not counting the maths to this? What are we counting? I don't understand why this is an issue. Oh my god. I'm just going to watch ChatGPT this shit. This is so tiring. Window height. Okay, we're going to do this with the window height in mind. Let's see if that will work better. Minus group height. Let's try this. No. So the group height should be the height of the entire group minus top IMG height. Wait, no. Wait a second. This should just be surface extra height. Why is that not working? What are we dealing with? Bruh. But this is... I thought I had it and I don't have it now. But the group height is good. It's just, how do we not go with the middle of that? How are we failing at this? How are we failing at counting the middle of that? One second. Okay, let's try this with the other non-scaled images. Will that behave different? That behaves so different. What the fuck? What? Is this scaling wrong? Is this scaling like accounting for something it shouldn't? I know, but the image size is applied into the inside the group. What? No, that should all add up. What are we dealing with? Wait, okay, that's... I just realized we can simplify the in-window group height thing. window height minus the height extra. Concentrate. Don't have shade. Okay, does this work now? That shouldn't be different, the math's the same. I guess that works now? This is so confusing, I swear to god. Anyways, if it works, then it works. That's enough for me. Ooh. Well, we spent like an hour on this shit. Way too long, but I think we got it. Oh my god. Is it so? Every day it's somehow there is a world out there yet to be discovered. Good night. No problem, even the world doesn't change. Everything but everywhere. I function out of that box. Wait. Why? What? The same equation, same math. What happened to math? Oh my fucking god. You're accounting for that calculation. What are we doing? Oh my god. Oh, I know why. I know why this is failing. Oh my god, group height. Oh my god. Okay, so ChatGPT fucked me. Or what, did I fuck myself? This is dramatic with just that. Did we? No, I fucked myself. Okay. Turns out I fucked myself. But... So, turns out doing stuff, changing stuff and then not keeping track of that is the biggest problem. But okay. Now this works. Height extra. I think we can make this like really way smaller. Now that we have like... Okay, yeah. Because this rotation isn't big. Like... Oh... It is nice. Okay, this makes more sense now. Yeah. Well, fucking hell. Just my stupid fucking mistake that fucked it. What do you want that to be? Minus, right? Yeah, no, we do. Yeah, the image offset needs to be counted for here. Okay. Oh. I need to account for that here. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, I'm oh. Okay, we did this. Finally. It was my stupid fuck up that made this happen. Now it's fixed. Now we can actually make the function I want to make. Rock, rock and roll, rock. Maniac, maniac. Maniac, maniac. Well, the main point of the group is so that we can animate it. Now the question is, how do we animate it? How do we animate this particular character? Oof. Yeah, how do I want to animate at all actually? I mean, I can make like rotate side to side a little bit. I've heard it wouldn't even look good, but I want to be able to do it, so I'm thinking, what kind of animation do we want? Or just like simple up down. I want some kind of animation for this, like that's just there when it's still. Oh. Well, of course combine things, but I don't really want to make that complex. Oh. Rock and roll, rock. Okay, so we want this to be like... We basically want to change this into this angle into something else, because this I don't like. I don't like the thing where it like rotates like this. I don't want the bottom by itself to rotate. I want the I think the entire thing to rotate, you know, like separated from the speech animation, and not by this much, but like a very little bit. So, I think we can make that work. So let's go into defining some variables. So, speech rotation, idle rotation, enabled equals to true. Let's say true for now. We don't want to randomize this one, I think. I don't think it would look good. I think it's just a stable, like, left to right, left to right. Rotation. Okay, so... Rotate... idle rotation... Angle equals 0. Idle... rotation speed. And idle... max rotation. This equals 0 and this equals 0. Okay, let's say we want it to be 3 degrees, and let's say the speed is 0. Let's make the speed 1 for now, just to see that it actually works. So then we want to go here, want to replace this with... No, it shouldn't rotate yet, let's test it quickly. Okay, perfect, it doesn't. Then while running, okay, yeah, I think we can go, if idle, then, idle, rotation angle, plus equals to idle rotation speed. For now, this should... Yeah, this just rotated like this. We probably want to adjust it as we did with the other one as well, so it like rotates based on the bottom, kinda. Anyway, because right now it rotates based on the middle, which is not, I think, how I want it. But for now, let's define where is the code. Here we go. Okay, so if abs rotation angle is above below 5, Okay, so if abs is idle max rotation, then we run this. Else, so if it actually reaches that point, then idle rotation angle, idle rotation speed equals to minus idle rotation speed. Okay, so this should... Wait a second. Idle max rotation. Wait, I think I have that wrong. Oh yeah, idle rotation angle. Here we go. That should fix it. Idle vertex angle plus equals to idle rotation speed. Okay, let's see if this does it. It does. Okay, perfect. Then we can actually simplify this code because we're running that code anyways. So if that is or equal to, then we run this. And then we just remove the else entirely, make an implicit thing, and bam. Okay, perfect. Now we can adjust the rotation. So we don't want it to be fast at all. Where's the rotation shit? Here we go. Under rotation, max rotation. Okay, rotation speed like 0.2. Let's try that. Let's start making it real nice and slow. Yeah, we don't really want... Let me try and see how this would look on OBS. Wait, okay, here we go. What if I change this to... Yeah, no. I mean, it kind of works, I guess. I'm not sure. I want to try a different, like, kind of angling here. I don't know if I like this one. I mean, that's gonna feel like you're chimneling it from the top, you know, like with a string or something. Which I don't hate, absolutely, but... Like, I'm willing to settle for this. Let's put it that way. Oh yeah, we need to move this down a little bit. I think the bottom one, or like the small one, is actually functional. The big one I had to adjust a bit. Yeah, I mean, this is certainly a development. The rest of this could end up working, actually. Okay, let's just set it back to the old one. Here we go. Okay, so... I'm not going to set a new one of these running. So let's just keep going. I'm finally... Oof. Okay, let's change our idle rotation angle. Let's make the... Wait, how is the look right now? Yeah, let's change the max rotation to like 2 and make it 0.1. I don't know if I like that being 0.1, to be honest. Okay, let's just keep it as it was for now. I want to try changing the angle of it in particular. On a fundamental level, it being centered on the thing is good. But... I do think it would be good to... make it happen based on the bottom mid. Um, okay, let's say mid bottom mid. Interesting. Interesting. This could be an interesting effect. We just need to... Oh, that's correct. Well, we want this. That's an interesting effect. It could have working out. Let me... Window height minus... what is it called? Height extra divided by 2. Okay. Divided by 2. Okay. Okay. How would this look? OBS. Let's try it. I'm kinda interested in this. It's completely unexpected to be clear, but... It's kinda interesting, right? I wonder why it behaves this way though. It's one way of being. This could work. We can also try doing the kind of polar opposite of this. And going off on... Okay, yeah. We're back on a functional version of this. I suspect we can try doing mid top. This would, of course, make you okay. It's an interesting effect. Right? I wonder why, like if it's the middle of the bottom or middle of top, it ends up being like a really weird bottom right. Oh yeah. Window. Yeah, I think the rotation might be flawed. Maybe because we're defining this before, we're changing that before this. Well, let's just try doing this. No, no, what are we doing? Let's see what if we do this. No, that's even more weird. How are we doing the rotation here? Do we define the where do we define this? Oh yeah. If our channel is about 0, then we define it based on that. So we define in this case. Yeah, right before blitting, as is the case here. Wait, window dot blit. No, that's correct, that's correct. Interesting. Why does it behave this way? But the bottom should always be the same if we had it using the bottom. Why does it behave this way? Oh no, because that's just the bottom to be consistent, so it... Okay, that makes sense. I think I have figured out why it works the way it does. I don't love that it does, but... Yeah, so when it rotates, it like adjusts against that. If you're set mid-top to something, then what will happen is it will keep top the same. Divided by 2, and that should be ready to go one of these. I'm not sure. Do I like this one? Someone tell me. Do I like this iteration? I think I prefer to how the mid-bottom looks, to be honest. Compared to this, and I'm not sure if I even prefer that to the center one, so... Or maybe this one can be good if you adjust it? Let's try the mid-bottom one again. Um, I might like this ones actually. Let's try the top one again. Okay. Bum 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 ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Yeah, no, I think I like the mid-bottom more than this. Or do I? I think I might like this more than the center, that's being. Let's make it center again. Whoops, I went too far. That. I think I prefer the. This one was kind of boring comparatively. The other ones actually seem interesting. I'm super for it. The question is just which one. Alright, let's rerun the mid bottom. This one might be my favorite after that. I don't know, it just does something, you know, something interesting. It's a good one, this song. It's a good one, it's a good one. Do you like the mid-bottom or do you want the mid-top? No, I'm like dancing, that's the theme, I guess. And this one is like... I'm just gonna swing my hips, I guess. You know, left or right. Like, if you adjust this, it can definitely look good. Enough. This can absolutely work. Okay, let's try the mid-top again. Okay, time to adjust and change this out. Alright, is this better? It feels like a more complex move. Okay. Let's move this middle. I'm not sure. This one's more like a squatting move, you know, like you go down and you put your like leg forward or whatever. And it's more verticality, like more going out, down, up, not just side. Okay, let's try adjusting it to be a bit less intense. Let's start off from that. Let's set this. Okay, I'm going to slow it down as well. Now it's going too fast, guess we reduce that. Now it's a bit slower with the animation. Do we like the mid-bottom one? That's still the question in my head. Like, I'm liking this one now a whole lot. Does this make sense? Do we even want to rotate this much? What if I make it 1.5 and then let's keep it at this. Okay, 0.1. Okay, let's try it like this. This is a much slower animation. I want to see how that looks. I might like the slow animation actually. Like a really nice and slow, just like even slower than this. That'd be good. Yeah, let's make this like half of this. Let's try that. You know, it's more of a slow, controlled movement, you know. I don't know if I like that actually. I don't know if I like that. I might not. I'll be honest. Behaving kinda weird, I don't know. Pam padam pam padam pam. You know, I don't think I like it this low. I don't think I like it this low. I don't think I like it this low, so I'm going to make it a little faster. 0.08, let's try that. Oops, monitor things. Okay, let's try it with this. Let's try it with this. This is why I want the web sockets. They should make this part better. I might like the mid bottom more, I'll be honest. I'm gonna try the mid bottom again. Okay, that should be ready to go as one. Whoop. And now, we just reset this. Yeah, I don't know. It's like a simpler motion, which I might like. I think I like this one the most of the lot. It's so funny watching like a small one and a big one of the same thing, just, you know, moving, turning around, rotating a bit. I like that. I like seeing that. That's funny. That's funny to me. This is so funny. Okay, let me get rid of the big one. Might be too much movement. I think it is. So let's go back to adjusting. Okay, let's stop that. Let's start this. Set the new one. Oopsie, wrong scene. Here we go. Alright, yeah, this is much better. Now let's see if the rotation works properly. I haven't even tried it with the rotation. Oh my god. But I do have the rotation extra, yeah, we do, okay. Okay, so this will be interesting. Yeah, so, yeah, this is where we need the extra space, you know. But, yeah, looks like it works, kinda. Which is fun. Now let's see how it looks in this, though. I have a feeling we might have to adjust things a little. You know, but... Or we can make it only rotate when it's not speaking. Like, we can make it an else condition in addition, so... Yeah, we'll see. I want to make this really slow as well. Might be worth it to just make this real nice and slow as well. Yeah, I think I want to slow this down a bunch. So let's make this a whole lot slower. 0.1. Okay, let's try it like this. Okay, now it's a whole lot slower. Yeah. Not very fast. But, oh well. It's a bit slower. But that's fun. This time that's fun. Yeah, there's something better now, nicer than before. Definitely better with less stuff going on, you know. Like, definitely better with less stuff going on. Question is how I totally what's going on. Oh. Looks like I'm dancing. I know it's the music, so. This might be good, I don't know. But yeah, right now it needs to probably I want to modify it to. Let's try this rotation. I like the speed kinda, so let's try this rotation with else. I think it's Rene's condition here. Yeah, that just works. Okay. Great. Yeah, okay. Cool. Yeah, but I think I want to... Okay, we're doing the old one without the rotation. That was so boring now. I want the rotation for sure. Um, and we can make this whole, where is the movement for this? Yeah, so if idle rotation is enabled, we can move this entire bit across into one of our conditions. So now that that's inside of that, now it shouldn't rotate while we speak, but it will rotate when we don't speak. Yeah, that's an interesting piece of logic for that. Let's try how that... I'm curious if it's bad or good for this. I'm not sure at all. Okay, is this good? Or better than before? Maybe? I don't know actually. I mean, the good thing is it does achieve some stuff, I guess. But yeah, it's a little interesting. But you know, it's how it goes. But you know how it is. I assume anyway. But yeah, I might like this more. Though I'm not sure if that is the case. But well, we'll see. We'll see. It's doing something right now. Let me again get rid of the big one from the middle of the screen. I'm liking this a lot now. Though, like, this is looking good. This is looking good. I'm not sure if I want this to be like this or like it was before, where it would just keep moving all the time. Well, yeah. Oh. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. Let's go back to how it was. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I actually think I like the one where it stops spinning more. This one looks kinda weird, you know. Yeah, I like it a lot like this. Actually, let's do a fun little thing. Did I do something with OBS? Oh yeah, I did. Here we go. Now we are going to select another like semi-permanent one, so we don't have to keep changing it. Because now it looks like how I want it to look. I like how this one looks. Like, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oof. Now we just need to do transfer center horizontally. Okay, that's good. And center horizontally. Here we go. Okay, now it's like it should be. In every bloody sense. Yeah. This is good, this is great. But oh well, it's how it goes. it's amazing. It works exactly as it should ever work. But yeah, I love the like random turning as well. Like sometimes it'll just go on forever in one direction, but then sometimes it'll just keep turning. It's so funny. I love it. But oh well, it's an interesting experience. Oh, I think I go back into programming. We can figure out. Yeah, let's do some. How many lines? It's like over 200 lines of code now. Damn. The core stuff's like 100 or less, but all the extra shit makes this complicated. But yeah, we can also, you know, disable tidal rotation entirely. And it doesn't rotate, so that's fun, but we'll keep it enabled, you know. I like the idle rotation. Having moving around is funny. I'm curious on how it will like look once I check the full video, like full sized. Fun fact, this is the Mario Kart 7 version of the Maple Treeway. Let's see if there's I want to switch the music. I wanted to have an idea for what time I want to play. Ba-dam, bam, bam, ba-dam, bam, ba-da, 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 ba-dam, ba-da, 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 ba-dam, ba-da, 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 ba-dam, ba-da, 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 ba-dam, ba-ba-da-dam, ba-da-da-da-da-dam, ba-ba-da-ba-ba, ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Welcome, welcome. Today we are doing. I managed to make it rotate. I managed to make it like do an initial dancing animation, and looks like the actual chat box works now. It didn't work earlier. Streamlabs seems to be having some weird stuff going on at the moment. Anyways, welcome, welcome. Next thing is the WebSockets. I want to make this work with OBS, with WebSockets, and then that should be it. Like, well, there's, I guess, extra fancy stuff I can do to like analyze things and automate things, whatever. It doesn't really matter, but for now, for the simple base thing, it's good as it is. I'm doing pretty good. I had some annoying times with this. I was quite frustrated earlier because I had wait, let me see where it is. Yeah, group surface. So I'm doing this thing where I group the two images together with a surface. ChatGPT told me about this, and I had changed like I had set like this as window height, which was breaking the alignment. But once I figured it out, it was easy, and then I just had to like, you know, build the actual animation to happen and set all of this, and now it's good. Now it's good to go on the actual visual part. Anyway, I also got a secondary monitor. I got a second monitor for free, so that's pretty cool. That being said, this is good. It's well labeled. We can remove that part. To the group. Brought the group in the main window. Okay, here we go. Alright, great, great, great. Now this works. Now yeah, WebSockets. Okay, let's see if they have like an official documentation. I want to see if I can find like just proper documentation. Yeah, Uh, all right. There should be like a Python document. Okay, whatever. I'm going to just like ask ChatGPT for this. How can I set up an OBS WebSocket in a Python script? There is a pip package I need, and then there's the code. I think I need to define the port. There's a password which I can get, no problem. And then I need to do other stuff. Okay, great. We can just run it. I guess we can just run it here. Python 3 OBS. Well, I wonder if they have even this in whatever. We can do ppax install. That should do it. Because we're not like doing any weird stuff. I think ppax install is fine. Okay, let's see this. Okay. That's installed. Okay. Now I just need to. Yeah, that should be already done with the actual OBS side. Let me double check this. Tools and check it. I can just open this. Okay, that should be fine. Great. We just import this, and then yeah, localhost should be fine. Is that correct? Yeah, it is. Okay, and my password. Okay, let's figure out. We want to Python use an environment variable. Okay. From OS import. Get them. Okay, great. Then we just do getenv. Actually, we can also do getenv here. Yeah, no, I'm not showing it on stream. I have it on a separate display that isn't streaming, so it should be fine. Yeah, but I'm doing environment variables. I always do that because that's the proper security. The port should be fine to be seen, but I'm just going to put it on the environment variable anyways, and then we just want to do OBS port, OBS PW, and then I'm going to just like go and set this on the other monitor, so I don't show them here. So. I mean, in any case, they should be too dangerous because my internet is not like exposed, so like it wouldn't actually be. And then we want to do OBS port. I'm going to set the value for that. And export OBS PW is equal to the whatever the password is. Okay, good. It did not. Alright, great. It did not switch tabs or anything for that. So, wait, did it not? Oh, here we go. Okay, now this should all be saved up in my shell. So now we should be able to... I should close this terminal first of all. I'll just make a new terminal entirely. Here we go. Okay, now we should be ready to go. Okay, that is not the correct module for the WebSocket. Python import OBS WebSocket. Maybe, or maybe it's that the pipax thing isn't working. All right. No, so it's probably like not installed properly. Python 3 OBS. Okay, I might have to. Yeah, I'm going to have to. Okay, I just do. Fucking hell, this is annoying. I hate that, like, the system managed Python installation, you can't use pip. I want to use pip, it's a standard tool, why can't I use it? Yes, WebSocket py. No, I can't run pip3 because my system is annoying about it. I could create a virtual environment and do it there, but how can I install it on Ubuntu? Ubuntu does the GPT. Let's see if it can give me a proper answer. Okay, I have that installed. Okay, I mean the Python version. The Python library. Okay, I'm going to ask it to stop generating. Let's see if it can give me an answer. I know this is lame, but I can't install with pip3 because it blocks it. I don't. TCP doesn't seem to know how this works. I wonder if I can, or maybe I can install it on user basis level. Yeah, well, I'm trying to, but evidently it's not working. From OB, yeah. Okay, let's just try importing this. Yeah, no, it can't import it because I hate how it does this. It's not enabled. I don't like that. Okay, we're going to make a new we're going to have to make a virtual environment out of this. That should allow me to, in theory, and then we can do yeah, source bin/activate. Okay, now we can do OBS web socket. Great. Okay, now we should be able to run this. I just installed it.
Turn around, stay away, laughing so hard, here it goes again. Time will wait for us, so I thought.
What are we doing? Why is this not working? Import OBS. Why is this not working? This is weird. I have installed it. Yeah, it's there. But why is this not working? Oh, this is not helpful. Do they have any like actual? Well, it's not. Why is this not working? I'm now in a. I have a directory. I have everything. This is very confusing right now. Am I misspelling it or something? Let me try to. Let's try just copying this. In a virtual environment or with the Pitax installation. Why does this not work? Python 3 version. Oh, it might be some running bin, not just Python. Okay, that's a bit to install Pygame. Oh yeah, and PyAudio also. Okay, I figured this out. It's just running it. I need to run it through the command line with a different. What are we failing on? Why is that failing? I'm trying to. That is not helpful. Why is this failing? Okay, I'm going to ask the GPT again. Yes, what was the dependency? Let's try this. Let's try this again. Okay, it worked. Okay, let's see. Okay, it worked. God damn it. That took a while, that took a while. Okay, now we can go back to the very top part. Okay, yeah, let's see. Okay, so this doesn't give me anything. This doesn't show any personal info. Let's try this. Yep. Yeah, let's Alright. Oops. Connection refused. Okay, I'm going to do this. This should be fun. No, it is showing the port, so these are properly set. Why is it failing? Alright, let's retry this. Why is it failing? Alright, let's try replacing this again. And let's kill off the terminal. Okay, terminal source bin / activate -3 Yeah, okay. Why has the connection refused? That is not a very helpful error. Oh yeah, it's not enabled. That makes sense. Okay, now let's retry this. Okay, it's still refused. Why? Why is this failing still? I get it failing earlier because it wasn't actually defined yet, but name. Okay. OBS WebSocket. Actually, we can just, yeah, well, let's see. OBS WebSocket error name. Or is that a thing in the code itself? Let's try this. Okay, so it's not failing at that point. Okay, I don't want to run this, that's for sure. Let's try without those lines up. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm not interested in recording. Get height, sure, let's go. Let's see if we can do anything. Okay. Like, we can get the scene. That's the part that matters to me. Okay, good. Good. Get, and then let's say scene name. I'm suspecting the get name command is just not valid. The error is a bit weird with that, but get. Okay, that's not what an argument. Let's see what it does with this. Okay, but we can get this. That's good, that's good. Okay, OBS WebSocket. Let's find a tutorial. I'm not trusting ChatGPT with this one. Yep. Yeah, I have it enabled and all that. Python. Yes, I know. Yeah, I know. Can I get to? I'm searching for tutorial. That is not. Okay. OBS WebSocket tutorial. Okay, I guess we're not. Okay. Yes, what are the methods in it? Oh, here we go. Okay, I found it. Planet call, okay, so in my case, the client would be WS. Yeah, so that's what the client is for me in this case. Get a call. Yeah, okay, great. Yeah, okay, call SMPH equals WS dot call requests dot get. Okay, that's not helpful. It doesn't have autofill for this. Okay, register. Okay, let's see to GPT, because it seems like all our resources are non-existent. With the OBS WebSocket, how can I set the Windows source for like how can I Okay, I'm just going to ask ChatGPT if it can do this somehow. Can I send the my game window to OBS as a source? To the WebSocket. Let's check this is working. Yeah, that's fine. My Pygame creates a window. Can I set this as a as the window for a window capture? Okay. Okay. Let's try this. So let's do def and set OBS doors. And then okay, source name. Okay, let's say it's not called that, it is called I'm going to rename this. We will call it Peppa Chip. Okay, here we go. Okay, and then we can rename this to Peppa Chip, and then we can do. Let's see if this works. Not window name, there should be a variable for and that is dot display dot get capture, and then we just run set OBS source somewhere. Okay, where do we make the window? Where do we make the OBS window? Okay, let's just run this right before the loop. Set OBS source. Okay, let's try this. Oh, whoopsie. Activate. No, source slash. No, not slash bin slash activate. Okay. Takes 1, but 3 were given. Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, get back or die.
Um, okay, so it does not. That's not correct. Let's see. That's fine. Takes one positional argument. I'm gonna give this to GPT. Let's see what it can tell me. Uh, uh, no, let's see. Set source settings, source name, no. No, but that is the issue. It does not work. How do you make this work? No, there's no first parameter. How to use in OBS website. Yeah. Okay, let's try this defining Python. Yeah, how do you actually use it? Yeah, so it doesn't work. OBS WebSocket. OBS WebSocket. Source settings. Okay, let's see. I'm not interested in like that source. Okay, let's try just like running but get sources. Well, looks like it. I don't see an error, so. Okay, let's retry this. Okay, so it failed, but I tried to make a call. That's better than before. Well, that does not exist. Okay, let's try samples. Okay, let's see. Events not current. Okay. Interesting. So you can learn things on events. I'm not really interested in that. I am interested in this is not really helpful, to be honest. It would be helpful if I had there's documentation on this. There isn't, and I'm annoyed that there isn't documentation. Yeah, this is not. What other requests you can make? I need to know. Requests. Okay, let's see. Can I find this like somewhere? Can I find these classes somewhere? Because like it is so annoying that I can't like. Yes, but there isn't any meaningful information here. How do I get actual information? OBS web events requests. Okay, that's not helpful. Okay. Okay, so there seems to be. Bam. Okay. Sources. Okay. String. Source settings. So there should be this. Well, then what's the issue? Why is this a problem? Yes, it takes one. I know. How do I deal with that? Like, yes, I know. How do I wish there's documentation on the actual Python library. This would make this 1,000 times easier. If they actually had an idea of how to do this. I'm just going to Google this, or because like I'm not getting anything. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's try that. Keyword arguments. So you placed keyword arguments. Let's try that. Source name equals to and source settings equals to that. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, well, it's okay. Why is that running? Let's see. That's fine. Current success. Let's see if we can get this far. Okay, so the problem is the contents of that specifically. So that should now not run that. It should error out. Yep. Okay, I'm assuming it has to do the formatting of this particular circumstance. The question becomes, what if I just set this to a straight up string? Is that the issue? I don't think it is, but interesting. Okay, this might work now. Let's try this. Because it's like chastening that. I think that's why. So we needed that as a thing, which is fine. So let's change something. Let's say we want the top image to not move anymore. Okay, does this work? No. Okay, well. It is not actually working, but it's progress because it doesn't crash. Oh no, wait. Okay, so that is not in fact working, but okay, well, that is still a bit broken, I guess, but that's fine. Who does it? Oops. Okay, here we go. So it doesn't actually set it, which is a problem. I keep running the wrong thing, but we have made progress.
I'm sorry about that. You thought this through.
So maybe the window thing is wrong. Doors. Doors. That thing. You know what? Yeah, sure. Let's double printing. We can figure out how to do this. Print. Let's call requests dot get source setting source name equals the source. This has confirmed to me whether they can find the source properly. Okay, so I did not find it with that. Okay, so the source name here is wrong. The question is, how do we define? Can I get all the source names? Get or can I get all sources? Get sources list. Okay. Get sources list. And then so it seems to fail. Okay, I'm going to ask looks for this. Um, okay. I have this. Let her. And why does it fail? I'm not sure why this happens, so I'm going to ask my overworld AI. It is. I know why there's an issue. That's not the issue. Okay, what we'll do is we'll. Yeah, where can I get the log? What does the? Where is OBS's? Slash var slash log slash OB. Okay, where are OBS? WebSocket debug log. OBS socket debug log location. Yes, where are they put to? Okay. Okay, thanks. .config, okay, great. .config slash, yeah, studio slash. Okay, so what is the most recent day it has showing? It has the day. It does not have anything for the current date. Or maybe it needs to like. And it does not have a log for today right now, which is a problem. I need to figure this out. Why would OBS WebSockets fail? I wish Google was at all useful here. We're going to try a different search engine for this. Let's see if that works out better. WebSocket. Okay, that's not the issue. Okay, I'm going to try to stop the stream and see if that affects it and restart the stream and stuff like that.